Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a sticky header in your WordPress website. So actually there are a lot of add-ons or maybe plugins which are paid. So I will show you a free solution which you can use into your WordPress website. So here you can see that I have this WordPress website and I have a header and I am going to make it sticky, and then after I will also change the color when we are scrolling down. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it. Firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that we have to click on plugins. Then after you can click on add new plugin. Actually we have two solutions. I will show you the first one firstly. So here you should write sticky header, and right now I'm using Ocean WP. So if you have any other theme, then still this will work. So for example, I am installing one app which is free one. You should search here sticky header Ocean WP. Once you are searching it, then you should scroll a little bit down, and here you can see that we have Ocean WP sticky header. You need to install this plugin. Now this is installed, and now you can activate it. Once you activate it, then you will see that automatically it will make our header sticky. So let's wait for a while until it is activating. So here in the bottom you will see, if we are hovering on the tools, it is refreshing right now. So just hover on the tools or maybe settings, and here you can see that we have sticky header. So you need to click on that sticky header, and we have two options, style float and style shrink, but for now we are going to keep it float. So let me refresh this page again, and here we go. Now you can see that we have sticky header, and now we are also interested in making the background color change. So how we can make it work? So you should go back to the dashboard, and you need to add a JavaScript code. For that you need to add a plugin for a header and footer custom snippet. Actually you need to click on add new plugins, and here you need to search code snippet. And here you will see that we have 2 million active installation of this app, this plugin actually. So you need to install this and also activate this plugin. So this will help us to add some custom JavaScript, which will help us to add a class into the header, and then on the basis of that header class we will actually inject the CSS. You need to click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, you should scroll down, and here you will see that we have code snippets. You need to click on this code snippet menu, and then you will get this kind of dashboard, and here you need to click on add new, and then after you will have an option of selecting a specific section. This is a code block actually. So you need to click on add custom snippet, and then after you need to select the language. So right now we are interested in JavaScript, so here is the JavaScript snippet. Click on that, and here we go. Now we can add our JavaScript code. So in the JavaScript code we are going to add document dot add event listener, and inside of this add event listener, firstly we are going to add DOM content loaded actually, and then after we are going to define an arrow function, anonymous function actually, and then after we have to add class name actually. So we are going to add a variable called header, and then we need to get that value of that we need to get that element firstly. So you need to write here query selector. Here we have the selection, and inside of it we are going to put the header ID. So let me show you how you will find that header ID. So you should inspect this, and here we have a header. So you can see that we have ID site header. So you should copy this and paste it right here, and make sure that you are going to add hash because this is ID, and then after you need to write semicolon, and we are going to write window dot add event listener, and then once we are actually scrolling it, then it should work. So we are writing here scroll, and then we are writing here function, and in this function we are putting a condition if window dot scroll y. Okay, if window dot scroll y greater than 50 pixel, then after we are going to put a class name header dot class list dot add, and we need to name the class which is scrolled. Okay, so this class name will be added to the header, and if we are not scrolling, then there will be header dot class list dot add, and we actually need to remove that class name which we have added. So same class we are going to remove. Okay, so we have removed it, and that's it. So now you can save the changes, but before that you need to make it active and then click on save snippet. So let me show you how this will actually have an impact on our JavaScript on the header actually. So for example, right here we have header. So let me scroll down, and here we go. Now you can see that here we are seeing that this scroll class name is adding, and once we are scrolling up, wait a minute, and you can see that it is automatically removed. It is adding and then removed. So on the basis of this, we are going to change the background color. So where we will be adding that background color, we need to click on customize, and here in customize we have the option of adding CSS. So let me show you. So here in the customization you will have to scroll down, and here we have custom CSS or JS. So right now we are going to add custom CSS. So now we are going to add some CSS code. So what exactly we want is that when we are scrolling it down, so then it should have a different color. So how we can add that? So right here hash, and the header, and for example this is the header, and inside of it we have multiple things like top header wrapper and bottom header wrapper. So let me copy this class name, and right here dot and class name. Then after I am going to add background, for example black or maybe yellow. Okay, just for the sake of example I am adding this, and this should be after the scroll. So for example I'm scrolling down, and then this scroll should have, for example here site header, then after this class name should be added, so that only for this class name this CSS should be applied. Okay, and then after we have another thing which is this one. This was bottom header, and inside of it we need to add here in the site navigation wrap. So let me show you. For example I am writing here, we need to write hash and this one, but we also need to make it using scroll. So I have added that. So you should click the save. Once the changes are saved, let me refresh it back. And here we go. Now you can see that the background has been changed. And if you wanted to see that CSS, you will find out here on the right side. We have all the CSS related stuff. So that's how you can actually make your header sticky, and You can change the background color also. All right. So if you are facing any issue or something, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. So I have already given the contact details below in the description. I also create videos related to Shopify. So there is a lot of videos on the channel. You can subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel, and please like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.